Hello, everyone, and welcome to week 13. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe we're almost done with this course. You guys are just flying right through it and learning so much along the way. This week, we'll be diving into module 13, and we will be reading chapter 13 of our textbook. And within chapter 13, you will be learning these following items. You'll be able to describe the teacher's responsibility for recognition, documentation, and reporting child abuse and maltreatment. That's important because as we are all mandated reporters, we really need to understand how to document this and when to document it and so forth. That is part of our job as being mandated reporters. You'll also learn how to, we'll talk about contributing factors to developing self-concept within children, as well as clarify the difference between self-concept and self-esteem in children. You'll be able to give examples how self-concept and self-esteem can be observed in the different developmental domains. And also we will be discussing special populations with self-esteem. How can we help children in the special population with self-esteem? And the SLO we'll be tackling this week is the utilizing, understanding and evaluating different characteristics within the observational tools and assessment tools, right? And then to be successful, you'll want to read chapter 13. You'll want to look at all the videos that I embed for you within module 13, as well as the PowerPoints. You want to complete your quiz by November 19th. It's worth 10 points, and you do have 2 attempts on that. And then the discussion board this week is about gathering information. The original thread is due by Wednesday, 11:59, and then 2 peer posts are due by Friday, 11:59. And then you want to make sure that your original thread is by Wednesday the 17th for you to get any points for this discussion. And again, each post, all 3 of them, must be submitted on different days of the week for full credit. And of course, you're going to continue working on observation 3. If you were unable to come to the Zoom call last week that we had, that we went into detail about observation 3, the recorded Zoom meeting is embedded within that last module. So make sure you look that over if you were unable to attend. So I'm going to go ahead and go over gathering information. So let's go back into our module 13 and we can look at that. So I want to go ahead and show you. Let me go back up. So we actually talked about observation 3 on our November 6th Zoom, and that was embedded in module 11. So you see right down here, Zoom meeting recording. That is what you want to look for. It's in module 11, and it is recorded, the entire thing that we went through. Observation 3 in detail. So jumping back into our module 13, our discussion board is gathering information. So you're going to choose one of the following topics. So you will choose either health, family, age, stage, culture, race, economic circumstances, or self-concept. I'd like you to make a list of information you might be able to gather or observe in the category you chose just by listening to children as they play and work without asking any direct questions. You're just going to listen to them. So you're going to, what can you learn? What information can you learn just by listening to children speak within these topics? And then you'll compare and contrast the list of those with your peers. And the purpose of this assignment is to have you think more about hearing as an observation technique and specific and inferential information that can actually be observed and recorded about the child just by listening to what they're speaking with their peers about. Okay, and that is it for this week. I'll jump back into 13. Again, if you have any questions on your observation as we continue to work through this, please feel free to email me. If not, I will talk to you very, very soon. I just recently sent out emails in regards to both observation 1 and 2. So make sure if you received emails, make sure that you have email access and that you're reading your emails because it's very important regarding these observations. Have a fantastic week, and I will talk to you all soon.